How we create our premium polyurethane filler blocks for shipping. At our workshop, we take great care in crafting high-quality polyurethane filler blocks to ensure the best protection for your shipments. Here's how we do it. Box design. We use a specially designed acrylic box, where all sides can be easily opened and closed for a seamless process. Assembly. The box is held together with paper tape to keep everything in place during the filling process. Filling. We carefully pour polyurethane foam into the box, filling about 2/3 of the space to allow for proper expansion. Curing time. The mold is securely closed, and we allow the foam to fully expand and cure for 24 hours. Final touches. Once the curing process is complete, we remove the paper tape, open the box, and reveal a perfectly formed polyurethane filler block, ready to protect your products. Check out our example to see the process in action. Please visit our website, HiProgress.com.